welcome once again guys in my YouTube channel. Maligayang pagdating sa aking channel. Today we're going to discuss about HY and what is HY. Now guys, HY means hysteresis. And what is this hysteresis? Ano ba tong hysteresis na to? Hysteresis is a phenomenon in which the value of physical property lags behind changes in the effect causing it. So that's the meaning of hysteresis. Ito guys yung hysterical. Ito yung nakakita kayo ng tao na nag-hysterical, usually nangyari sa mga babae. Yung mood nila is nagbabago. Same with our Dixel XR. Pag nagbabago, ito, yung sensor natin, ito yung room, this is the room sensor. Once this detect changes in the temperature, it will react according to the parameter you entered to this HY. And to mind you, HY is a differential for the description, and the label is HY. Now, HY is hysteresis. I was being asked verbally what is HY. I simply answered, it is the cut-in cut-off of the compressor. I guess he didn't get what it means because I said he's not a technician. Now for those newbie, sa mga baguhan po, ang HY o differential sa description, ito yung cut-in, cut-off ng ating compressor. I'm going to discuss to you that the label HY description, this is the differential. And it has a range guys of 0.1 to 25 degrees Celsius. Meron siyang range guys na 0.1 hanggang 25 degrees Celsius. Now, example, this, for example, chiller setting. Is between 1 to 5 degrees Celsius. Therefore, using this explanation here, it says intervention differential for set point, compressor cut in set point plus differential. Now, my set point is 1, and for example our HY, we put the value of, for the default, they put 2 degrees Celsius, but this is a default, so we need to change this once our setting is 1 to 5, because if we use 2 here, okay, we will discuss that later, and we're going to change that into 4 degrees Celsius later. And papakita ko sa inyo guys na ang default nito is 2 degrees Celsius. Kapag nagbago kayo ng set, previously I made a video about this set, and the set is the description of set is set point. So I made a fastest way of changing chiller setting to freezer setting by using this set. Since our topic is the HY, now for example my set point is 1, okay, I'm going to put the range here is LS and US, and the default is, it's up to you, -5, it depends, they have a default of -5 degrees Celsius, so we're going to change that one. Now since my chiller setting, and this is under HACCP, is 1 to 5, Therefore, our set point is 1 degree Celsius. And it says here, cut-in, compressor cut-in is set point plus differential. Now, for example, the differential is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have a 4, 1 plus 4 HY. Later this is a default. Now I'm going to change this to 4 because this is a default. Later I'm going to change that to 4. 4 is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Now the compressor start at this compressor start at positive degree Celsius and compressor stop at positive 1 degree Celsius. Ito guys, ang sabi dito, ang set point din natin, ipa-plus lang natin yung ating value na ilalagay natin sa HY. Paano kung nakuha na 4 yung ilalagay natin sa HY? Meron siyang default. Ibabaguhin kasi natin to guys. Ito kasi is manufacturer setting. Babaguhin natin siya ayon sa ating pinagkatrabuhan kung ano man ang standard nila. For example, sa chiller nila is 1 to 5. Pag 1 to 5 yan guys, ibig sabihin meron tayong difference na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, nakuha ko yung 4 dito. So, 1 na set point, 1. Gagawin lang natin siyang, pa-plus natin siya sa 4 equals 5 degrees Celsius. Just in case, the temperature reach the positive 1, the compressor is off. When the temperature rises, kapag tumaas ang temperature at na-reach niya yung 5 degrees Celsius, mag-o-on ulit ang ating compressor. So, this is the purpose of HY. To enter that guys, press the set button and arrow down button for 3 seconds. HY, the default is 2.0 degrees Celsius. We're going to change that to 4. Then press set. And let's check our set point. Okay, 1 degree Celsius is our set point. Ngayon guys, meron ako rito ice. And I'm going to prove to you that upon reaching the set point, which is 1 degree Celsius, this load for the compressor will turn off. Let's see if hysteresis will going to happen. It stopped. And I'm going to pull this out. Ilalabas ko lang ito para mainitan to get hot. And let's see if the compressor start at 5 degrees Celsius. 2, 3, 4. Take note, it has a delay. Just okay. Start flashing. The delay is being activated. But at 5 degrees Celsius, the compressor start flashing. And let's wait for the delay to be activated. Okay, compressor start flashing at 5 degrees Celsius. Kung nakita nyo guys, sa 5 degrees Celsius, nag-start na mag-flash ang ating compressor. Ngayon, delay na lang ito. Yan. Nag-start na. What if we're going to use the default, which is the 2 degrees Celsius? We're going to change that. Gawin natin siyang 2 degrees Celsius guys. Yan. HY. Set. And I'm going to change that to 2. Baguhin natin siya. Gawin natin siyang 2. Ito yung default kasi. Ngayon pag ginawa nyo yan, hindi nyo na nasusunod yung 1 to 5 or 1 to 4 na setting ng ating setting para sa chiller. Tingnan natin ulit. Okay, it's going down again. And let's see. Compressor stop. Now, take a look guys. Mag-i-start siya sa positive 3. It will start at positive 3. And take a look. Compressor blink at positive 3. No, 3. It started at positive 3. Nag-start siya sa positive 3. Bakit? Dahil 1, 2, 3. So between 1 to 3. And flashing is the delay. So dyan lang naglalaro guys ang ating compressor. On off, on off, on off. Yan, nag-start na. Kung may natutunan kayo, paki-follow po ako guys, just in case na bago po kayo sa aking channel. Paki-subscribe po ako at paki-click ang notification bell para updated kayo just in case na meron na akong bagong upload na video. If you're new to my channel guys, please support me by clicking the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be updated just in case I have a new upload video. Thanks for watching. Until then, God bless.